Welcome to our video. Today, we're tackling a topic that's vital yet often overlooked: nerve health. Nerve damage, or neuropathy, can really throw a wrench in your daily life, causing symptoms like pain, tingling, or even numbness. And while we often turn to medical treatments for relief, and rightly so, there's another powerful tool at our disposal: our diet. In this video, we're excited to share with you 9 incredible foods to repair your nerves. These aren't just any foods. They're nutritional powerhouses known for their amazing potential in supporting and repairing nerve health. So, whether you're currently dealing with nerve-related issues or just looking to boost your overall nerve health, stay tuned. These dietary additions could make a noticeable difference in how you feel and function. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications on future content. Now, let's get into these 9 incredible foods that could be your allies in maintaining healthy nerves. Grab a notepad. You'll want to remember these. Starting our list at number 9, we have the power-packed leafy green vegetables, like spinach and kale. These aren't just your ordinary greens. They're nutritional superheroes when it comes to nerve health. Now, you might be wondering, what makes these leafy greens so special for our nerves? It all comes down to their rich content of B vitamins and antioxidants. B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, play a critical role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. They're like the building blocks your body needs to repair and maintain nerve structures. In fact, deficiencies in these vitamins have been linked to nerve damage and neuropathy symptoms. Leafy greens are a fantastic natural source of these essential nutrients. They are also loaded with antioxidants. These compounds are crucial for protecting your nerves from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can lead to oxidative stress, which is a big no-no for nerve health. Antioxidants from spinach, kale, and other greens help neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting your nerves from damage and aiding in their repair. Scientific studies have backed up these benefits. Research published in journals like Nutritional Neuroscience has highlighted the positive impact of leafy green vegetables on nerve health. These studies suggest that regular consumption of greens can support nerve function and even aid in the recovery process of damaged nerves. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet is easy and delicious. Whether it's a spinach salad, a kale smoothie, or steamed greens as a side dish, there are countless ways to enjoy these nutrient-dense vegetables. Swimming into number 8 on our list are fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These aren't just any fish. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly beneficial for your nerve health. Omega-3s are like the superheroes of the fatty acid world, especially when it comes to keeping your nerves in tip-top shape. These fatty acids play a crucial role in building and maintaining the myelin sheath, which is like a protective coating around your nerve cells. This sheath is vital for the proper transmission of signals along your nerves. When your myelin sheath is healthy, your nerves can communicate more efficiently, leading to better overall nerve function. But there's more to omega-3s than just nerve building. They are also powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation can be a significant culprit in nerve pain and damage. By reducing inflammation, omega-3s can help alleviate pain and prevent further nerve damage. This has been supported by numerous studies, including research published in the Journal of Neuroinflammation, which found that omega-3 fatty acids can have a protective effect against nerve damage and neuropathic pain. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet is not just beneficial, it's also delicious. Grilled salmon, baked mackerel, or even a simple tuna salad are great ways to get these essential nutrients. For those who don't consume fish, omega-3 supplements can be an excellent alternative. Just remember, it's a wise idea to have a chat with your healthcare provider before adding any supplements to your routine to ensure they're right for you and your health needs. Crunching in at number 7 on our list are nuts and seeds, small but mighty allies for your nerve health. Think almonds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds. These aren't just snacks, they're nutrient powerhouses. Packed with vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, they play a crucial role in maintaining and repairing nerve cells. Vitamin E is a standout when it comes to nerve protection. It's a potent antioxidant that defends your nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. This protection is crucial because damaged nerves can lead to symptoms like pain and tingling, often associated with neuropathy. Regularly munching on almonds can be a delicious way to get your dose of vitamin E. But there's more to these seeds and nuts than just vitamin E. They're also rich in magnesium, a mineral that's essential for nerve function. Magnesium helps regulate nerve signals and can ease nerve pain by reducing inflammation. It's like a natural calmer for your nervous system. Including magnesium-rich sunflower seeds in your diet can help ensure your nerves are functioning smoothly. And let's not forget about the omega-3s, especially in flax seeds. These fatty acids are essential for building healthy nerve cells and have been shown to reduce inflammation in the nervous system. So, sprinkling some flax seeds in your yogurt or smoothie isn't just tasty, it's a smart move for your nerve health. Sitting at number 6 on our list are whole grains, the unsung heroes in the world of nerve health. When we talk about whole grains, we're referring to nutrient-dense foods like quinoa. These aren't just your average carbs, they're packed with essential nutrients that play a significant role in keeping your nervous system healthy. One of the key components in whole grains is B vitamins. These vitamins, particularly B1, B6, and B12, are crucial for nerve health. They help in the formation of nerve cells and aid in their proper functioning. B vitamins are like the caretakers of your nervous system, ensuring that everything is running smoothly and efficiently. They're also rich in dietary fiber. While we often associate fiber with digestive health, it's also important for your nervous system. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is important because fluctuations in blood sugar can impact nerve health. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition have shown that diets rich in whole grains contribute to overall nervous system health and can help prevent issues related to nerve damage. So, instead of just sticking to white rice, try branching out to other nutritious options like brown rice, barley, and bulgur. Quinoa is another fantastic choice, offering a great alternative to processed grains. And don't forget about whole grain bread and pasta. They're simple swaps that can significantly contribute to your nerve health. Cracking into number 5 on our list are eggs, a staple in many diets and a powerhouse for nerve health. When it comes to nourishing your nervous system, eggs are more than just a breakfast favorite. They're a significant source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12. This vitamin is vital for nerve health and repair, making eggs an essential part of a nerve-friendly diet. Vitamin B12 in eggs plays a key role in maintaining the myelin sheath, the protective coating surrounding nerve fibers. This sheath is crucial for the efficient transmission of signals throughout the nervous system. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and various neurological issues. By including eggs in your diet, you're providing your body with the necessary tools for nerve maintenance and repair. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient that's part of the B vitamin family and is essential for brain health and function. Choline contributes to the creation of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating memory and mood. So, including eggs in your diet is not just beneficial, it's versatile. Whether it's scrambled, poached, boiled, or incorporated into omelets or quiches, eggs provide a delicious and easy way to support nerve health. Squeezing into number 4 on our list are citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, which are much more than just refreshing snacks or flavorings. While we've already touched on the wonders of vitamin C in our countdown, citrus fruits bring their own unique flair to nerve health. These fruits are not just tangy treats. They're loaded with vitamin C, which, as we know, is essential for overall well-being, including nerve health. The beauty of citrus fruits lies in their ability to provide vitamin C in a natural, readily absorbable form. This is important because, as we discussed earlier, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a critical role in protecting nerve cells against damage. It's like having a natural shield against the harmful effects of oxidative stress, which can impact nerve function. But beyond just the vitamin C content, citrus fruits offer a synergy of nutrients and compounds that can benefit nerve health. They contain flavonoids and other phytochemicals that work alongside vitamin C to enhance its antioxidant power. Plus, the refreshing flavors of these fruits make them a delightful addition to any diet. Remember, though, while citrus fruits are a fantastic source of vitamin C, they're part of a bigger picture of maintaining nerve health through a balanced diet. Enjoying these fruits in their whole form, whether in a fruit salad, as a snack, or your favorite smoothie, is a delicious way to support your nervous system. Taking the third spot on our list are bell peppers, vibrant and colorful vegetables that are much more than just a tasty addition to your meals. Bell peppers stand out for their high vitamin C and antioxidant content, playing a significant role in nerve health maintenance and repair. We've already talked about the importance of vitamin C in protecting nerves, and bell peppers are another fantastic source of this crucial nutrient. They contain one of the highest levels of vitamin C among vegetables, making them an excellent choice for supporting nerve health. This high vitamin C content aids in the synthesis and repair of the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves, and also in combating oxidative stress, which can damage nerve cells. They're also loaded with a range of antioxidants, which help further protect nerves from damage. These antioxidants, including beta-carotene, quercetin, and luteolin, have been shown to provide additional protective effects for nerve cells. Whether you add them to salads, stir-fries, or simply enjoy them as a crunchy raw snack, bell peppers can add a burst of flavor and a dose of essential nutrients for your nerves. Gliding smoothly into number 2 on our list are avocados, a favorite among health enthusiasts not just for their creamy texture and taste, but also for their incredible benefits for nerve health. Avocados are a treasure trove of nutrients vital for the nervous system, particularly rich in B vitamins and healthy fats. The B vitamins in avocados, including B6 and B12, are crucial for nerve health. We've touched on B vitamins earlier in our list, but it's worth reiterating their importance. These vitamins are essential for the maintenance of the myelin sheath and the proper functioning of nerves. A deficiency in these vitamins can lead to nerve damage and dysfunction. But what truly sets avocados apart are their healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats. These fats are essential for the nervous system as they contribute to the health of the nerve cell membranes. Healthy cell membranes mean better communication between nerve cells and overall improved nerve function. Avocados can be enjoyed in salads, sandwiches, or as guacamole. Even adding slices of avocado to your morning toast can be a delicious way to support your nerve health. And now, at the coveted number 1 spot on our list, we have turmeric, a spice that's not only a staple in culinary traditions around the world, but also a powerhouse for nerve health. The secret to turmeric's nerve-supporting abilities lies in curcumin, a compound it contains that's celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its vibrant yellow color and its incredible health benefits. When it comes to nerve health, the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin are particularly beneficial. Inflammation can be a major contributing factor to nerve pain and damage. By reducing inflammation, curcumin can help alleviate nerve pain and even aid in the repair and regeneration of damaged nerve cells. Studies have shown that the curcumin in turmeric also has antioxidant properties. This means that it can help protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, further supporting nerve health. Research, including studies published in journals like the Journal of Medicinal Food, has highlighted curcumin's potential in reducing symptoms of neuropathy and promoting nerve repair. You can add turmeric to curries, soups, or even make a warm, soothing turmeric latte, often called golden milk. For those who may not consume enough turmeric through food, supplements containing curcumin are also available. Just remember to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement regimen. They can advise on the appropriate dosage and ensure that the supplement won't interact with any medications you're currently taking or affect any existing health conditions. It's important to approach supplements as part of a holistic health strategy, complementing your diet and lifestyle rather than relying on them as a standalone solution for nerve health. And that brings us to the end of our countdown of 9 incredible foods to repair your nerves. Remember, while incorporating these foods into your diet can be a significant step towards improving nerve function and reducing pain, they should ideally complement other medical treatments and lifestyle strategies for nerve health. If you found this video informative and helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Also, if you'd like to further support our channel and help us bring more health-related content to you, feel free to click the Super Thanks button. Every bit of support is greatly appreciated and goes a long way in helping us grow. And we're not done yet. We want to hear from you. Do you have any favorite nerve-healthy foods or recipes? Maybe some tips on how you incorporate these foods into your daily diet? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your insights could be invaluable to others in our community. Remember, taking care of your nerves is an integral part of maintaining overall health and well-being. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also taking proactive steps to keep your nervous system in good shape. Thanks for watching, and have a healthy and happy day.